So you want to try trading, but you don't have a brokerage account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade. All right, so you open your browser, and right up here, we're going to go to tradingview.com. All right, we go to Tradingview, hit enter, and we get this screen. So Tradingview is actually a great charting platform. It's incredibly user-friendly, and it's very, very good. Down here, different people actually post their ideas, so you can go through and you can see what you like. If you like to trade forex or you want to trade stocks, different people trade their analysis and their opinions on what is happening in the market and the style that they like to trade. And you can actually hit this play view button after it's been posted, and it will actually show you the result of that particular analysis. But we want to talk about trading. So when you first go to TradingView, you get this screen, right? What you can do is right over here, click on chart. It'll take you to a stock chart. And on the right-hand side, you have your watch list. On the left-hand side, you have your symbol. So right now we're looking at Apple. Apple, you can see Apple right up here, Apple Incorporated, and we're on the daily chart. So first thing you want to do is right-click anywhere on the chart and go right to settings. Then you want to come down here, go to trading. And you want to make sure this show buy and sell panel is selected so you can buy and sell. Make sure the show price level is unchecked, so that way you can see the ask, the bid, and you can set your orders. All right, then you want to just click OK. So now we get this guy here, right? So if we click sell, this will pop up and it'll say, please log into your brokerage account. But don't worry, you don't need that. All you have to do is click right here on paper trading and then just log in or sign up. Another thing, it's been a while since I've done this, but it may ask you to say connect to paper trading. So once you do that, I'm going to switch screens. I'm going to go to my account and we'll take over right from here. All right, so all I did was just switch tabs. I was already logged in on the other tab, so all I did was switch tabs and then hit my favorite bookmark, which brought me here. So when you go to paper trading, mine actually asked if I wanted to connect it, and I just clicked OK. The market's closed right now. It's Sunday, but right up here, you can select which time frame you want to look at. So if you want to look at the 5-minute, you can do that, and this will show you every day, right? These gaps, these are daily. And this is basically, we're looking at about 3 days right here. This is 1 day. From here to here is another day. And then this latest gap is the day of February 28th. So the market opens and you want to try trading. So what you want to do is click buy or sell. And this window should pop up. If it doesn't, right click on the chart, go to settings, and then make sure you get this show and buy sell panel. For me, the first time I did that, it did not come up. So I had to uncheck this. When you get this window, now you have the ability, you can either place a market order and you can determine how many shares. So you want to buy 100 shares. And you can buy Apple market, or you can click this, take profit. So you want to buy Apple. You can set your price. So if you're buying it somewhere around here and you want to get out at 280, you type that in. If you want to place your stop loss, you can type this in, 60, and your order should go through. Now, I am not seeing my buy and sell orders on the chart, so let's right click and see if we can find it. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to trading and just make sure this show position and show orders is on. The market is closed right now, so that's why you don't see anything here. But this is how you can paper trade. Now, another thing I have here is I have all the tools that I use for charting. These are all my favorite tools. And one of the best things to use is this long and short position. And you can find this, you go right over here and click this little arrow right there, trend lines. You click this arrow, and then you can actually either select what you want to use, or you can favorite the things you use the most. So what I use the most, let's look at the next one down. Okay, you go from the arrow to the pitchfork is the second one down. Click on this little arrow. What I use is fib retracements, extensions, and my favorite tool is right here, long and short positions. So all you do is remove and add to favorites, and it goes right up there. Okay, now this long position, you can either click it from here. Let's remove that, or you can click it right from here. So let's say you are buying as soon as the market opens, which I do not recommend, but this is great because you click on long position, you're going long. Our entry is here. And then what this will do is this will place your stop is in this reddish pink area and your target is green. So this is great because it'll actually give you a risk reward. So you can place this first, figure out where you want your stop. Your risk reward ratio is right here. You could see that. And this is actually really good because then when you set your target, you can see, okay, I need a minimum of a 1-to-1 risk reward, and you can set your target. So in this case, if you're trading Apple on the 5-minute chart, there's actually a double bottom setup. I talk a lot about in my videos. There's one bottom here. There's one bottom here. So for me, the entry would look something like this. And my stop, so my entry would be here. My stop would be below this recent bottom. And then I'm looking for a minimum of a 1-to-1 for my first target. So you would go here. And it'll tell you exactly the price, right? And then my second target would be a 2-to-1. So you just drag this out. And you can get your 2-to-1 target here. I do not recommend buying into the close of the day because, especially over the weekend, because the market can gap. But this is how you would set it up, and you would figure out your entry, your stop, and your target. So let's say you don't want to buy. Let's say you want to sell. Let me go to remove this, and we're going to remove our arrows. And so one of the things I see here is actually a double top on the day before. There's a top here. There's a top here. It's actually a triple top. So let's say you want to sell into this market. Well, you can either come up here to your favorites list, or you can go right to the left-hand side, click the arrow, and then pick your long or short. So we want to go short, so we would take our short position. And we want to click where we're selling. So let's say we want to sell right here with our stop going above previous structure. So previous structure is here. And it's acting as a line of resistance, right? So our stop goes above that line of resistance. Our entry is here. And now we want to place our target. So we know our entry, we know our stop. Simply take this short position tool and just drag it down. And we can see our risk reward ratio right here. Risk reward ratio, that's our first target. If you're taking double targets, that would be your first target. If you're doing 2-to-1, drag this right down. There's your 2-to-1 right there. And then you can simply open up sell, and you can either sell market or sell stop or sell limit, right? So for me, I would do either a market order when the price got here, or I would just do a sell stop of 278.24. Stop loss would be at 286.11. And my profit target, my 2-to-1 profit target would be at 262.45. So like I said, the market is currently closed right now, so you can't see a position. But one of the other things that you can do is right-click on the screen, go to trade, and then I can buy or sell. If we're selling here, you can right-click. I like to do it one at a time because it's a little bit easier. Sell. So there's my sell limit order. So if the market, let me drag this back out. So if the market looked something like this, this would actually be a sell stop for me. This is what I would do, is I would place this as a sell stop. This would be a trade. This would be a buy stop right up here. And then my profit target would be down here as a buy limit. So this is what the order would look like. All right. I hope this helps. I'll see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, telling the YouTube algorithm that you enjoyed it, that there's quality content in this video so it can get recommended and help more people. And also, if you don't want to miss the next episodes, hit the sub button, hit the bell icon. YouTube no longer recommends every video just because you're subbed. So if you don't hit that bell icon, you're going to miss videos. So if you're enjoying this and you want to follow along, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.